Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, cruise control, trip computer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.